Namaste, I am Girija Rajan. I am a senior meditator now at Bangalore. I am a member of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement founded by Pitamaha Brahma Shri Patriji. He taught Anapanasati meditation to us when we met him in the year 1998. Ever since I have been a regular meditator and a recipient of the benefits thereof. Today, it is 29th March 2020, when Patriji was conducting spiritual class followed by a meditation session telecast through PMC channel. I participated in the session. I went into deep meditation very soon. I had a beautiful experience which I would like to share with you all. In my meditation, the great spiritual master of Russia, Anastasia, appeared. She told me that she was in a meeting with the council of very great spiritual masters in a higher world. The following is the message I received from her. Anastasia says, all that is happening in the earth planet now was to have taken place in the earth year 2012 itself, with a small difference. The earth has to be graduated to a higher plane. So cleansing is important. Since Mother Earth and Mother Nature cannot bear any more violence of man towards other beings, coronavirus had to be sent in order to bring order and establish compassion and non-violence. In the coming years, non-violence will be the key word. From now on till 2030, every year will be an eventful year. However, 2020, 2025, 2000 and 2030 will be milestones on the path of spiritual masters on Earth planet. She goes on, now you, the people of your country and also of other countries, have been asked to clean and wash your hands frequently. This is the best time to see that your minds are also clean. So every time you wash your hands, check whether your minds are also clean or rather empty or without any thoughts. It is not only during meditation that your mind should be empty, but otherwise too. During the 24 hours, you have to keep your minds empty and clean. In this way, you all can become super masters. That is what the council wants of you. Coming to financial breakdown that may happen as an after effect, the spiritual seekers and masters need not worry at all. They will soon be entrusted with power and abundance. The children now living on this beautiful planet are all great masters. They are all non-violent beings. They will practice non-violence as they grow up and will invest their enormous intelligence for the benefit of mankind. So it is the duty of the elder spiritual masters to lead them in the right path and right life. They should also inculcate lots of right spiritual practices in their day-to-day life early itself. I am happy for the excellent message given by Madam Anastasia. Some days back, in one of the meditation classes, I remember Patriji telling us that by the year 2030, all those who are there on this earth planet would have already become Patrijis. The world will be full of Patrijis. He said like this, I am happy that Anastasia also endorses this message of Patriji. Thank you.